Hello all, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Yantrabhasa. In this YouTube channel, along with coding videos, I'm going to upload videos on Android tips and tricks under this playlist, Android tips and tricks, in the playlist session. And this is the first video. Privacy is one of the major concerns of the people nowadays. In order to hide their photos or videos, they are using third-party applications which are available in the Google Play Store. In this video, I am going to show you how to hide your photos or video files in an Android mobile without using any application. There are two methods. The first method is to hide the folder using dot by renaming the folder with dot and followed by the folder name. And the second method is to add a file with .nomedia. The first method makes the folder, converts the folder into a hidden folder, and it will hide the contents of it. And second method is telling Android OS that this folder has no media. Don't scan this video. Don't scan this folder. So let's get started and hide the content using the method 1. So I'm going to my gallery application, and here you are able to see 4 photos in my gallery application. These 4 photos are coming from DCIM/camera folder in my file explorer. Let's go to file explorer. I'm using CX file explorer. You can use any file explorer, and go to main storage and DCIM camera. So these photos are getting displayed in the gallery application. So I'm going to rename this folder with dot camera dot camera. Now that the folder got hidden, and if you go to gallery application, the photos also disappear from this gallery application. So now again you go to your CX file explorer. You need to go to folder options, and you need to select show hidden files. So I will revert the name again. Select this folder and rename it to camera once again. So now you can see the photos will appear once again, but it is not coming up because you need to, that folder is not refreshed. So close the gallery application and open once again. Still you are not able to see. You can take one photo, or you can create a copy of this here. So you refresh that folder. Basically why I am doing this is to refresh that folder, or you can take one more photo. So if you see again, you are able to get all the photos back. So this is one method. So let's hide the files using second method. Again go to CX Explorer. Here I am creating a folder with name Yantrabhasa. The second method only in second method you need to add a file. As soon as you create a folder, you need to add a file with name dot nomedia no spaces in middle. I'm copying some photos from here. I'm pasting it here. So usually when you do this, these 2 photos should appear in your gallery, but as we added this .nomedia, Android OS won't scan this folder, and these 2 photos won't appear in your gallery application. let's go to gallery application and check whether there is any update in this album session. You can go to album session, or so there is no folder with name Yantrabhasa. So let's refresh it. There is no folder. Now let's go and delete this file. Now it is expected that there should be one folder with name Yantrabhasa in the gallery photo session. So now again go to this session, refresh it. So it is not coming up. So you add one more photo in order to refresh this folder. See, now you are able to see a folder with name Yantrabhasa and all the photos in that folder are showing here. In the same way, you can hide video files also. These are two methods you can use to hide your photos and videos in your Android without using any software, any application. I hope you like this video, and so many Android tips and tricks are coming up in this playlist. Please like, do subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. If you have any queries, please comment. If you have any concerns, please comment. Thank you for watching.